G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? That's a bathroom that I did a couple of weeks ago. I did the shower floor and the walls, and now the owner, he decided to do it when I was still doing the walls, but he said, oh, what about we do the floor as well? And I said, well, you should, because that tile doesn't go. It looks like shit with the new 12x6 that you've got in your shower and everything. So he said, right, yep, let's do it, Chriso. So I'm back here a couple of weeks later. I'm waterproofing all the floor. It's already waterproofed under the existing tile, but I'm doing it again. There's nothing better than making sure that everything's done properly. So this is it. I'll take another video on my second coat and join it to this one. Okay, see you soon. Stay tuned, there's a lot to learn. Everyone, DIYers, I can teach you heaps. I've been a tiler for 35 years. Sometimes not so good in business and that sort of thing, but it's all good. And if I can teach you all what I know, there's a fair bit to learn. I don't confess that I know everything, but there's more modern ways, and I do them as well. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.